In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close your Facebook account temporarily. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and the first step, open up Facebook app. Make sure you are signed into your Facebook account, and after that tap right here to go to menu. On a menu, tap Add Gear to move on to the settings and privacy, and then just tap somewhere here to go to Meta Account Center. After that, tap Add Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, and then deactivation or deletion. Then select your Facebook account and you will be taken to that page. If you would like to temporarily close or deactivate your account, just tap Add Continue, because Deactivate Account feature is selected by default. Then tap Continue all the time until you get to that step where you need to enter your current Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap Add Continue. Then select any option. Continue again. And on that step, I recommend you to pay attention to that feature, which is called Automatically Reactivate My Account in. Because by default it is set to 7 days, so if you would not change that option, your account will be automatically reactivated in 7 days. If you don't want that to happen, tap right here at 7 days, scroll down a bit and activate Don't Reactivate Automatically, and then tap Add Done. Once you've done that, tap Add Continue. And that's where we can easily find Deactivate My Account button. Once you tap on it, your account will be temporarily deactivated. Your Facebook profile will be hidden from Facebook, including all your posts, your profile picture, all your media content such as photos, videos, reels and stories. That's how you can easily temporarily close your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.